Benjamin Netanyahu if he comes to New York City with Donald Trump as his human shield?
Look, I think I want to just first give us the context of this, right? Oftentimes this is described as if it is a matter of opinion, a personal assessment. We are speaking about someone who is facing a warrant from the International Criminal Court, someone who has perpetrated a genocide of Palestinians for close to 2 years. And every hour for that time period, a Palestinian child has been killed by the Israeli military. And this is something that has shocked the conscience of so many across the city, across this country, across the world. And I hear about it from New Yorkers everywhere. I hear about it when I take the train. I hear about it when I'm walking on the street. I hear about it when I'm speaking about our affordability agenda. And I hear about it because it is an affront to any kind of universal belief in the sanctity of humanity, of justice, of safety. And I also hear about it because there is a deep shame, an anger, and a horror at the fact that we as Americans are complicit in this. You know, I think Graham Plattner put it best when he recently said, our taxpayer dollars should be building schools and hospitals in this country, not bombs to destroy them in Gaza. And there is that deep sense of the contradiction in our politics.
So you as mayor of New York want to hold him to account.
And that is the importance of this city, is to showcase a model of what politics could be, and to showcase that we are a city that believes in international law. Now, look, to be clear, I'm going to operate within the bounds of the law. I'm not Donald Trump seeking to create my own, legal system as I make my own decisions. And yet I think it is also important to say that the time of not only tolerating but celebrating Benjamin Netanyahu in this city from those in leading political positions, including the mayor, the time of looking at Benjamin Netanyahu coming to this city and then making military decisions from this city to kill civilians, that time has to come to an end. Because New Yorkers, at the very least, want to bring an end not only to this genocide, but also to the complicity we have in the violation of international law.